Hi, my name's Tony Barden. I'm currently on the end of my seventh week of this Shreddin8 program. I admit I am surprised, amazed, and overall proud of myself. Not only did I last the 7 weeks, I've actually stuck to it and I've found a new lifestyle, and the knowledge you have taught me throughout this program is beyond phenomenal. I can now go on with this and be a better person for the rest of my life. I started the program to lose weight and be a fitter, better person for myself and my family. I have two young boys. One's 5, one's 2. I also have a little girl it's on her way. She should be here in a week. And I want to be able to go out to the park and play with them and not blow out. And that program I've lost 1.5 stone, and I feel a lot better. I have more energy. I'm feeling less tired. Sorry. Yeah, I'm feeling less tired, and it's just I just feel like I feel like me when I was 18. People have told me I look younger. My hair's grown back. I've lost, like I say, I lost 1.5 stone, so I've lost a lot of body fat. So my body's looking more defined, especially in my back and my legs. My six pack's coming back. Like I say, I haven't seen that since I was 18. So yeah, I say thank you for bringing this program to my attention, and it was just great. About the program, I keep looking away, sorry, because I've written it down, everything that I wanted to say. So the program, truthfully, there's no middle ground. One day you love it, next day you just think, why did I start? But with there's a Facebook group, and with that group, I feel that you ain't gonna meet these people, but you feel you've already met them. You feel like you've got new friends. You feel like you can ask for advice, and they're not going to judge you for being you, for the size you are, or for a stupid question of, say, what's this mean? That they'll give you advice, and they'll give you the push that you feel that your best friend would give you. So that to me was one of the main things that kept me going. It gave me the willpower to finish what I needed to do and to carry on. I'm not going to lie, 2 weeks in, I was going to quit. I was so hungry, tired. My body was aching. My strength had just disappeared. I used to train for strongman, and I could deadlift 220, but now I'm struggling to get even 160 up. But I sat back and thought, why have I started this? What will you achieve by quitting? Most of my life I've just quitted. As soon as something gets too hard, I quit. But like I say, the Facebook group gave me that push to carry on. Yeah, like I said, I've lost 1.5 stone, and I feel a lot better for myself. I'm glad I didn't quit, because I've started seeing a lot of definition in my body, my back, my legs. My six pack's come back. I think I've already said this. So you look at pictures, I look at the reflection in the mirror, and I just smile and appreciate the hard work that I've put in. And I just think to myself that I've done that. Well, you done that by giving me this program. I've had people tell me I look younger. I've done so well telling myself. Sorry, people telling me to keep up the work, and best of all, my hair's grown back. I could fit into a medium top, and I've not done that since I was like 18, 20. Going back to the program, you get the app is just so good. It's amazing. It's simple to use. There's so much on there. So for the people might think, oh, £85, £100, that's too much. But for what you're getting with the group, with the program, you've got the app, got the Facebook group. You've got assistants. So on the app, you've got the food plan, you've got workout plan, you've even got a shopping list. And with the workout plan, everything has a video. And I feel for a beginner, that is probably the best thing, the videos, because you could be doing an exercise and think, it don't feel right. And then you look at the video and you go like, well, you wasn't doing it right. So that to me is really good. So it's sort of like it's beyond. Oh, sorry, it's beyond unbelievable. Really, it's to have an app that is simple for a beginner, but then it's still achievable and workable for someone who's quite experienced. The workout plan, yeah, like I say, it was great to follow, and I would never on a daily basis thought of putting 150 dumbbell rows with 200 squats. Like, my legs are still working, and I've done squats 4 days ago. I'll take my hat off to you and your team, and basically just think that a lot of time and effort has gone into the program to make it simple, but easy to follow and enjoyable, really. It's like my body's felt pumped after every workout, and I feel great. Like, I feel like I've done a workout. Sometimes I used to go to the gym. I'd come out of the gym and I'm like, have I even been to the gym? Because my body just didn't feel. The diet plan, personally, I hated it. The food, obviously, like I said before, I'm a strong man, and my body is used to a lot of carbs, a lot of basically to build my strength up. I'm just had to eat calories, and to cut down pretty much over half of my calorie intake, my body just did not like it. But I've grown to like it, I've grown to love it, and I will continue it. But like I say, I'm going back to strongman training. I have a competition at the end of April, and so obviously I'll stick to the food plan, but I'll add carbs to it to build my strength up, and hopefully I can clean bulk, get my strength back up, and then in the future I will be doing another Shreddin8 to get back down again and then build back up. So yeah, like I said, I'll take my hat off to you and your team for like making a great program. I read on your bio, on your website, that you only done it you started this as your own little program, and then you thought it worked so well. Well, I'm living proof it works amazing. I've seen the pictures of people just put on, as long as you've got willpower and time to carry on and the push, you will achieve it. Sorry. I'd like to end this by saying thank you so much, Charlie. I don't know you, but I feel like you're a distant friend. You've made me who I am today, and I feel like you've changed my life and my whole outlook on fitness, exercise, dieting, and made me believe that I can, if I got to put my mind to it and I feel the push, then I can do anything. So yeah, thank you for everything, and hopefully we'll work again sometime in the future. So until next time, mate, keep doing what you're doing. So many people are now better people because of your time and knowledge. Thank you so much. I'll speak to you soon.